Hi, this is Lenny from AppWorks, and I'm going to show you the basic features of Seed. The very first time you log into Seed, you'll see this welcome page, and we're going to go ahead and begin setup. The credentials that you'll enter on this page are the login credentials that you'll use every time you open the app to log in. Once you've got those credentials entered, go ahead and hit continue. And this will be the name that shows up on your staff account page. So rather than your login credentials, this is the name that displays on the staff list as your name as a staff member. Hit complete setup. It will say setup completed and take you to the dashboard. If you click get started, you can jump in and start playing around immediately, or if you'd like a tutorial of the app, you can click take a tour. So this is your dashboard. Your three main tabs are caseload, recent, and to do. You can see you can get to the student list and the staff list from here. And if you ever need help, you can click this button and contact us directly. So let's go to the student list and add some students. When the student list is empty, it will prompt you to add a student automatically with this button up here. So let's click that. And this brings us to the student detail page. The student detail page has all of our basic information about students. So let's go ahead and add a student in here. Let me walk you through the page. So we've got all of our basic information, name, demographic information. Then you can see school information like student number, eligibility status for services, and 504 compliance. You can add a student photo up here in the corner. Okay, now I've got some student info entered. To add parent and guardian info, of course, you just click here. You can add all this in. Once you save parent or guardian information, it'll show up right here. You can add comments, and if you need to assign someone as a primary contact, you can click that button right there and it will keep them as a primary contact. In the schools tab, you can add information about the resident school and resident district of your student if it's different from the school and district that they are attending. On the conditions tab, to add conditions and track conditions for students, you can open up this menu here, space for you to enter their accommodation, and of course you can add comments as well. As soon as you enter the demographic information and condition information, all of that will appear up here as a quick reference to the student that you're looking at. The IEP Team tab is where you can add team members to the IEP team and how many minutes of services they're supposed to receive per whatever unit you'd like to use to keep track. To add a team member, you just click Add a Team Member, and this will bring up the staff list. In the Documents tab, we can attach IEPs and other important documents for our students, and then just drag and drop the document into that container here. The Notes tab can be used to create to-do items for staff members. Now, when you add a note to a student's Notes tab, it will also show up on the to-do list of the staff member's dashboard. Let's look at the staff list. As I said, there's only one staff member right now, and that is me. When we click on a staff member, it takes you to the staff detail page where you can enter more information about a staff member. This caseload shows staff members' caseload. Now that I have some students in the database, let's try an advanced search. You can search on any of the fields on this page. If we wanted to find all of the students with autism spectrum disorder, we could just click that button, hit perform search, and it will show us all of them. So that about does it for Seed. I hope this has been informative.